One of the greatest benefits of ever-improving technology is the fact that now the average person can afford to buy a professional quality video camera. Finding the perfect camera that gets the job done can be a bit daunting. With so many options to choose from and tons of customer reviews to sort through, it's easy to get confused, which is exactly where we come in. In this video, we are bringing you the best 7 cameras for filmmaking. But before that, if you are a gadget lover and want to stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. This Pocket Cinema Camera 4K is the best option on this list for independent filmmakers. This compact cinema camera comes packed with professional features and a small, portable body. With this model, you will get a 4:3 image sensor with 4096 by 2160 resolution and an MFT lens mount. The professional specs also include 4K DKI video recording at 60 FPS, 13-stop dynamic range, carbon fiber composite build, BLACKMAGIC operating system, 5-inch touchscreen LCD, and 4 built-in microphones. These feature-quality digital images produce precise skin tones, organic colors, and the MFT mount allows you to use super compact, lightweight, and affordable lenses, making it ultra-portable. The conveniently placed back panel control allows you to quickly change shooting speed with the high frame rate button, zoom into the image with the magnifying glass, access setup menus, and quickly play back shots for review. You will also get DaVinci Resolve Studio for editing, color correction, audio post, and VFX. This camera is amazing. For the price, you won't find a better cinema camera. The picture quality that comes from this is far superior to anything else available at this price. If you are looking to up your game in videography and autofocus isn't a requirement, then this is the camera for you. The Sony a6400, a multifunctional option, is a great choice for 4K recording and comes equipped with 24.2 megapixel Exmor CMOS sensor, a lightning-fast autofocus speed of 0.02 seconds, advanced real-time IAF and real-time object tracking autofocus, with wide 425-phase, 425 contrast detection autofocus points, 3 high-speed continuous shooting settings of up to 11 PFS. It also features a 180-degree tiltable LCD touchscreen with 921K dots of high resolution, making video or photo selfie-style shooting super easy. Another cool screen capability is the touch shutter, which instantly focuses on the subject and releases a shutter with just one touch. If you want to record in XAVCS format, you will need a 2 SDHC SDXC memory card. Inside the box, you will find a rechargeable battery, AC adapter, shoulder strap, body cap, accessory shoe cap, eyepiece cup, and micro USB cable. Other great new features are the upgraded eye autofocus and the ability to power it directly via the micro USB port. The Canon VIXIA comes in a wide range, from this cheap option perfect for beginners or the high-end HF G60. The lightweight, portable HF R800 is a great intro dock camera for middle to high school-aged kids to learn on. A bright 3-inch touch panel LCD screen is clearly visible, even outdoors in the sun, with rich, natural color reproduction. A 57x advanced zoom combined with a super range optical image stabilizer helps correct camera shake quickly, and a high-res HD CMOS image sensor provides full HD video, and it can turn into a high-quality webcam using HDMI output. Other beginner-friendly features include backlight correction, slow and fast recording options, and removable SD cards with quick sharing. Autofocus works well too. It doesn't spend a lot of time wandering around trying to focus, and the sound quality is also extremely good. Key features on this affordable upgrade to the DSLR include a 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, Digic 8 image processor, UHD 4K 30p and Full HD 120p video recording, and 3-inch 1.04 m.2 vari-angle touchscreen LCD for sharp, stunning results. 2 multi-controller buttons on the back of the camera make it easy to control customizable camera functions while looking through the optical viewfinder. It also comes with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, enabling fast and easy file transfer to compatible smart devices using the Camera Connect app, direct sharing to various web services, remote shooting options, and more. This particular package also comes with a variety of extra accessories, so in addition to the Canon EOS 90D DSLR camera body, you will get a 64GB SanDisk memory card and high-speed memory card reader, backpack camera case, TTL flash with zoom function, red-eye reduction, wireless shutter release remote, hand grip strap, professional 50-inch tripod, camera monopod, and AC/DC travel charger, and more. The Panasonic HC-X1000 camcorder features 4K Ultra HD and 24p cinema, or 60p video quality. Ideal for shooting documentaries, sports, and other events with zero lux, and night mode to shoot clear, detailed images. But users have pointed out that it is not great for low light conditions. The highly agile multi-format camcorder comes equipped with 2-channel XLR audio input terminals, high speed and high precision AF, a histogram display, high bitrate quality, picture adjustment, focus peaking and focus expand, 4K video editing, Wi-Fi with NFC, and blur-free imaging. The 4K quality is actually 4K, and there is no shake, hence you can shoot most of your video with only one hand. All that said, it is also a great option for filmmaking. The most expensive on this list, the A7 mirrorless digital camera features include 24-megapixel full-frame XMOR-R BSI CMOS sensor, Bion's X image processor, and front-end LSI, 693-point hybrid AF system, and UHD 4K 30p video with HLG and S-Log3 gammas. The fast hybrid autofocus system includes a combination of 693 phase detection points, which cover approximately 93% of the frame, along with 425 contrast detection areas for reliable and quick autofocus and subject tracking performance. Built-in Wi-Fi means you can instantly share imagery to mobile devices, so you can immediately share to social networks, or send files via email or to cloud storage sites. Using NFC, a linked mobile device can also display a live view image on its screen and remotely control the camera shutter. This particular bundle includes a Sony NP-FC100 rechargeable lithium-ion battery, Sony AC adapter, micro USB cable, Sony ALC B1EM body cap for E-mount cameras, accessory shoe cap, eyepiece cup, and shoulder strap, plus 2-piece Transcend 32GB SD card, deluxe camera gadget bag, 50-inch tripod, and microfiber cleaning cloth. You know generally what you are going to get with a GoPro, and the latest version of its affordable options comes with folding mounting fingers at the bottom of the camera that allow you to mount the camera directly without using a case or a frame. Plus, a redesigned battery door for quicker battery changes, not to mention the impact-resistant Gorilla Glass lens that has twice the impact resistance as the Hero 7. You will also get improved versions of the Hypersmooth 2.0 stabilization, Time Warp 2.0 time-lapse that automatically adjusts speed based on motion, scene detection, and lighting, and Night-Lapse Night Mode time-lapse. An optional media mod expands your accessory possibilities. The bundle comes with the GoPro Hero 8, 2 rechargeable batteries, a SanDisk Extreme 64GB U3 Video Micro SDHC memory card, and a card reader. So, for a high-angle shot and for some wide shots, a drone is very important. In that case, don't confuse yourself with the choice you have in the market. GoPro Hero 8 is a great choice, which you will never regret. So guys, if you're in the market for a filmmaking camera, links to all products can be found in the description. Let us know your favorite in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching.